1998 Chevy Corvette 5.7 liter V8. Still got the stock converters there. It's all factory. Got a factory H-pipe. Then what we did on it is order the FLOWMASTer kit in that big box, part number 817517. You can find the link in the description. And it's an axle back kit, but his flanges were rotted out, so we had to weld in 2 sleeves to make it fit. Other than that, it's all mandrel built. This is the old system that was on it. Right there, rotted out, broke apart. So we ordered him a new system. Right there. Came out absolutely beautiful. And if you guys are wondering, it's about $1,000 just for the kit before install. So there you guys go. And hope you guys like the sound. We'll let you hear it in a second. It's a work in progress. He's gonna get a new top for it too. It's not really nice. Sounds pretty good too.